Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be solving this puzzle called validating phone numbers. So similar to what we have seen in the previous one, slightly easier I would say. So it's kind of an introduction, but I'm doing it later on about regular expression. So you can see. Let's dive into the interesting topic of regular expression. You are given some input and you are required to check whether they are valid for mobile numbers or not. Simple. And what is the condition for valid mobile number? It is has to be 10-digit number and it will start with 7, 8 or 9. These are the two conditions we have to fulfill through regex pattern in the given string. Okay, so valid number is a 10-digit number starting with 7, 8 or 9. Regular expressions are key concept in any programming language. A quick explanation with Python examples you can see here is available here. Then you could also go through the link below to read more about regular expressions. So this is docs are there. So this is one given by them. So you can go through this. All the commands are given here to learn replacing a string, searching for multiple instances, and searching for a pattern. So these all things you can go through. Similarly, here also you have some examples, all those things which you can find in docs as well, Python docs, but much more structured here it is. Okay, so now you are you can read go through, but you have already seen me doing one example, so it's better to go through this example to learn. Now we will be given a value of n, means test cases, and then n test cases will be given to us later on. Constraints are given. Then what we have to do is, for every string we have to print yes if it is a valid mobile number and no if it is not a mobile number, and we don't have to print the codes. So here you can see this codes means this one. Two test cases. So first guy, second guy, you can see first one is 10-digit, this one is also 10-digit, but this guy is starting with 9. So 7, 8 or 9 are only valid entries for the first thing. Okay, so let's do that. So what you might be able to see the pattern what I'll do. So first thing I'll import RE. Then what I'll do is take the value of n, capital N. This time let me take in for loop only, for I in range 0 to n, no 0 to int input. Okay, like this, and then we can go inside, and what we can do is we'll take the string as input, then if the condition is met, then we'll print yes, capital yes, and if the condition is not true, then we'll print no. What will be the condition? RE dot search, because anywhere we have to find this, right? Search, and inside this we'll write R, that is syntax, part of syntax, and inside the inverted commas we have to write pattern, and here I'll provide a string. So let's write the pattern. So we'll start means this symbol, and end means, and I won't write. So the first is we have to check for 9, 7, 8, 9. So I'll give the set of characters 7, 8, 9. This is important. Okay, so first thing is important. Now the rest of the positions can have any value, right, between 0 to 9. So I'll give 0 to 9, right? Anything. This also is 0, between 0 to 9. This also, like this, for 9 times, because 10th time is this guy, right, these guys, and then I can end the expression. Ending is by this. So this will take care of start from the left side, and this will see whether the first digit is 7, 8 or 9 or not, and rest of the digits are 0, between 0 to 9 or not, and like this you have 9 digits. That's what it is doing, and this means end of expression, regular expression. So this is what it will see in string. So let's run this. So a sample test case is passed. All the test cases are passed. So simple it is. It was starting actually, but I did it later on. Okay, so you can see we have to build a logic inside our head so that we can understand the symbols, what is happening. So from left to right it is going, and how it is searching. So this is very good thing. I mean, learning about regex is, I think, one of the good things in Python, because it's slightly tricky and not everyone's cup of tea. If you will have command in this, then it will be very good for your profile. Okay, so yeah, let's move on to the next problem.